All right, YouTube, Steven here with 501 Parts and Dicker and Deals. Today I'm going to show y'all the easiest way and the best way to fix a tire that's got a nail or bolt or screw in it. You're going to basically plug the tire. I've got some tires that I've had plugs in them for 5 years. They're still rolling strong. Right here you can see this tire's got a bolt in it. This is off a 6x12 inch closed trailer that I bought the other day. The guy said the tire kept going down on it, so got a little bit of a better deal because of that. So now I'm gonna bring it home and fix that, no problem. So what I like to have, you can do just about any tire repair with a 1/4 inch drill bit. And for Lord have mercy, get you a good plug kit. I know you go to Walmart or Dollar General and it might say heavy duty on these slime kits or anything like that, but it is not heavy duty. You need to be able to, these right here are sure enough heavy duty. I can stab a hole through that plywood with this thing, and that's what you need. Last thing you want to be is on the side of the road. You go to press this thing in there and it stabs up in your hand. It ain't no good. So what I like to do is get me a pair of side cutters. Got me a pair of side cutters. You see the bolt right there in it. Look at that bolt in there, sticking in the tire. And get you some good plugs too. Now these right here, but I know I was talking about the slime stuff. These are good plugs. If I can't hardly get them out of the pack, that's when I'm gonna throw them in the garbage. Like these. Look there, you can just open the whole pack up, throw them in the garbage. Now these right here, see how sticky and slimy them are? That's exactly what you want right there. That'll seal your hole right off. You barely get them out of the pack and they want to stick to your finger. That's a good thing. Them I just threw in the garbage, so they ain't no good. They dried out. I will link this tire plug kit in this is the ARB kit. I'll link it in the description down there. I think I got it on Amazon. But what I like to do, a lot of tires are 6, 8 ply. You can't just stick this through the hole a lot of times. So I like to take a drill bit with a 1/4 inch drill bit on it and just drill through the hole, it feels good drilling through that tire too. Drill it. Well, let's see. First I'm gonna take this and ream down through there. It works a little bit better when you got air in it. Ream it out. Well, stick it down in there, just to where the plug's sticking above the tread, and pull it out. And that's a good patch. Now let's air it up and see what it does. I like to air these trailer tires up to about 32 PSI, 35, something like that. It says on the sidewall, 50 PSI max. About 35, just guessing there, but take a little bit of spit and put on it. Now if it's bubbling, you didn't fix it. That ain't bubbling one bit. And another tip, how you can find a leak in a tire, get you a bottle of, get you a spray bottle, put you a little bit of, mostly water, a little bit down with Dawn dish soap, shake it up, and air your tire up about 35 PSI. And then go around and spray it, and you'll see a bubbling leak, and you can do that procedure I just told you to fix that. All right, thanks for watching.